time to share some products with you. So if not interested, feel free to move forward. Super excited with you, super excited to share with you the Ecosphere water purifier. Now, for some of you na familiar na, sabihin sobrang mahal kasi ng Ecosphere. But to be honest, yes, mahal siya the first time you have to spend for it. But if you compare it with itong 5-gallon water bottles, ang isang cartridge kasi nito, can last you for 5,200 liters of water. Equivalent siya sa 274 bottles nitong 5 gallons. Which means, mas matipid siya in the long term kasi once a year or every 2 years mo lang siya papalitan. So, merong super sulit promo right now. Let me know kung gusto mong magpasabay.